Okay, it looks like you have a small cut right there on your chin. Oh, I'm sorry. What happened? Oh, yeah, those scooters are really, really dangerous. I fell off of one myself. So let's get that cleaned up. I'm gonna put some gloves on. So okay, let me take a look again. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, let's get cleaned up. Alcohol. Okay, I know it burns. I'm sorry. Okay. Get a little bit more. Okay. Looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna use first aid kit and get Band-Aid out. Here's alcohol prep pad, sterile pads, and a little Band-Aid. Okay, let's open this Band-Aid up. Okay. Okay. Now, I have some ointment for the scars right here. Yeah. So let's get a little bit out. So this will help it heal much faster and make sure it doesn't leave the scar. Okay? Okay, so I'm going to make note of everything we completed today. So cleaned your wound. Okay, we put a Band-Aid. Then we will prescribe you some medication. Okay, and write the name of the prescription. Okay? And if you need to, you can set another date to come see me. Just let me know. Just text me, and I will stop whatever I'm doing to come and help you understand what it's like. Okay? Alright, did you have any questions for me? Now, I also have some medication for you to take, just in case you just really feel bad. I know you probably have a headache, so these ibuprofen pills will help you, okay? So here's some water for you to take with your prescription, okay? That's for you. Okay, so let me know how that heals. If you need to, you can come back, and I'll probably just take that band-aid off, clean up your wound again with some cotton balls, and I will also give you a new band-aid. Okay? So I hope you feel better, and I'm sorry that happened to you. Okay? Bye.